Hello guys, welcome to my channel NEZ1. So in this video I want to talk about the Paws Airdrop activity check. So as you all know that the Paws Airdrop activity check is now on, so every one of us can go ahead and do our activity check-in. So in order for us to get started, all I need from you guys is go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel NEZ1, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So in order for us to get started, what you need to do is to go to these three dots in this section side. So once you click on it, you go to where it says claim. So click on the claim section, and once you click on the claim section, you can see that every other things have been checked. This green mark, all this mark showing on this, all of them have been checked. So what you need to do, you can see where it says activity check. This is what you need to go ahead and click on it, and once you click on it, yours will be tick as good. So let me go ahead and click on the activity check. So let's click on it. So once you do that, what you are not going to do is click on I'm not a robot. So what they are trying to do is to confirm whether you are a bot who is trying to enter this server. So let's go ahead and complete some of this. They say we should choose traffic lights, so click on the traffic lights. So I think this is all the traffic lights. Let me click on verify. I think that is achieved. So as you can see that mine is check also, but the only problem I have that this particular one, you can see that I currently have about 214,000, and the minimum you must have is 300,000. so that is not, this does not mean that you are not going to get the airdrop. So you can see that every activity is being you completed are being checked good. So this is what I have for you guys. So after that, you click on the next button and to bring you to this input. It says congratulations, you are eligible for the Paws Airdrop. The token claim hasn't started yet. Stay tuned for news on our channel. So these are all the things you must do in order for you to check your activity. So about the Paw new tax. So let's go ahead to the Paw new tax. So click on the end section. You can see that the Paw new task has not been completed, and the reason for that does not mean that this task is not going to be completed. What it means that you can see currently they have about 416k people who have completed this task, and what they are required for every one of us that once it's reached 1 million users who have completed this task, this our Cexp pause will be completed. So you can see that currently you have about 408 people, 1,000 people who have completed this task, and the minimum amount which they are required is for us to reach 1 million users to complete this task. And once we reach 1 million users who completed the task will be solved easily for us. And not only that, new task has also been added to us. If you go to where it says the partner section, you can see the new task which has been added. So click on the partner section. So once you click on the partner section, you can see the two new tasks given to us. That is follow dude, score 10 points in the game. So let's go ahead and complete these two new tasks, and this task was just brought in just right now. So go ahead and click on go. So what you need to do is go ahead and click on join. So once you click on join, go back to the pause. This you can see that it has been completed. So click on the score 10 points in the game bot. So after playing the game and score 10 points in the game, all you need to do is go ahead and click on check. But this will be continue loading. It's not going to resolve immediately. So you can see where it says pending. So this is what I got for you guys in the pause verification task. So if you find this video helpful, I need from you guys is go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel NEZ1, and also there are more potential airdrops which I'm currently farming. So in order to get access to those airdrops, check in the description of my video. So you are going to see the airdrops which I'm currently farming. So you can dive in right now and go ahead and start farming those airdrops, such as the Telegram airdrops and non-Telegram airdrops. So peace out.